Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. This is a beautiful book I got a couple of months ago, and it's from a neighbor. It's actually like this a friend which also in the Bay Area, and got to me from YouTube and wrote me a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful letter. And I will not, I will cherish it and read it as myself a personal letter. And so I will not read it to you, but beautiful handwriting and very delicate. Yesterday I saw my son's notebook. He writes those small, delicate words I can very well understand and connect. And then I showed my handwriting. Let me see, where is my handwriting? Oh, cannot find it for now. Maybe there are some. See, this is my notebook. This is my notebook. I feel so ashamed. It's so messy. And his handwriting is very clean and clear. Sorry. I put everything here. San Mateo County Museum and all these things. Anyway, so it's a beautiful handwriting, and I just want to share with you the kindness of people. And this emotion-full book is always on my bedside. Sometimes I pick it up when you are feeling unmotivated. There is some chapter 14 is when you feel unmotivated. Yes, when you are feeling unmotivated. And just I do not take it as a serious reading from beginning to the end. Just open it up, finding motivation for project. Ooh, those kind of random ideas. It really, I think heaven knows, when you really need something, you open up a page. That must be what exactly you need. Compliment yourself, isn't it? I need to compliment myself for doing all this panic intervention list. It's very fun and interesting, and I am just very, very grateful. So this is a couple of months ago I did this opening. You will take a look of my surprise. Thank you. You always surprise me. Thank you very, very much. Okay, hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. This is absolutely a surprise. I didn't know I got this one. I think I have sent to this address something. Let's see what it is inside. It is my neighboring city, quite close to me. Oh, oh my. Emotionful, a guide to self-care for your mental health. Oh, a book. Let's see. Oh, sealed with love. Sealed with love. Oh, I think their packaging is really smart. I was packaging not so good. To Yang Haiying, thank you for your light, wonder, love, grace, mercy, and joy in the world. Oh, hi, hi, neighbor. And I am an Egyptian Muslim veiled woman here in the Bay Area. Oh, I will leave it Maybe later I will read it, but I feel it's kind of sacred. Wow. Oh my. Wow. Oh wow. Two of them. Wow. And three of them. Oh, look at it. It's how pretty. Oh. Wow. Oh. And so comfortable. It smells quite aromatic fragrance. Wow, what a surprise. This must be a soap. Yes, it is a soap. View Hidden Waterfall. There's some vanilla. And oh, wow. And this one is hand spray. Hand spray. And this one, oh, look at it, so pretty. Oh, this must be a soap. Let me see. Yeah, must be a soap. Did I? Shampoo. Mask, scent, shampoo. Oh, I am so impressed. That's a lot of work to do it. Wow, this is so smart. Anyway, okay, I will do the reading. Thank you very, very, very much. Oh, I love it. Yeah. So I am wearing it. This is such a beautiful and comfortable one. Oh, wow. And very long. See how large it is. It's so big. Wow. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. That's so fun. Oh. Okay, I am going inside. Bye bye, friends.